I'm listening to music and I'm solving the problem. That's what you do, right? After class, that's what you do, no? You listen to music, then you solve problems. No, you solve. See, you should have a separate notebook, and I want each and everything, whatever I'm drawing here. Diagram must be there. See, diagram will make a problem easier. Okay, you have solved it? Show me. This was not the problem. This is the problem, right? And this is the diagram here. Show me. Okay. There is some mistake. What is that? What's the mistake here? Yeah, every one of you have done the mistake. Okay. Yours is the closest to the answer. Okay. Let's see here. Focus here first. I think I'm not teaching properly. Okay. So what is U? U was how much? 90, right? Oh, U. What is V? How much is the V? 90 centimeters. So this will be negative. It is, dude. It should be negative, no? How can it be positive, yaar? Yesterday we discussed. Yesterday only we discussed, right? What you have taken, negative or positive? Positive. You said you know everything and you are doing this type of mistake. Yesterday you only said no, you know everything. You are learning nothing new. What you have, what I told you. This is your axis, right? This side is all positive. This side is positive. This side is negative. Downside is also negative. That's what we have learned yesterday, right? This is your sign convention. This is the most important thing to solve your ray optics. Okay, we are studying ray optics right now. So this is if it's written that the image is forming 90 centimeter in front of the mirror. That means what? In front of a concave mirror, it was given, right? In the problem. That means what? It is negative 90 centimeter. You have taken negative, right? Good. How much is the focal length? I think this is also this you have taken positive, isn't it? Yeah, I know. All three of you. Why positive? Yeah, yesterday we discussed. Anyway, now don't make any mistake. Okay, this was the final. What is mirror formula? 1 by f. So can you find u from here? So 1 by u will be equal to what? 1 by f minus 1 by p. See, every time you solve the problem, you will write like this. It's not like I know you remember this, but don't just directly put the values. There is a very good chance that you will make the mistake. So 1 by f. F is how much? Dude, minus 15. You're sleeping in the class. Fine. Minus. V is how much? V is not 1 by minus 90. V is minus 90. We are writing here 1 by minus 90. Okay. So can we write like minus 1 upon 15? Right now I'm teaching you mathematics, second standard mathematics. And this we can multiply and this will be positive. So this is positive 1 upon 90. This we learn in second standard, no? Huh? Second standard only. So you were saying you did that. Okay. So we'll solve it here. So 1 by u will be how much? Take the LCM. LCM you learned in what? Second standard? Third standard? Fourth standard. It's not, see the reason why we are taking minus up. What you can do, you can multiply minus 1 and minus 1. Right? You know this? You can, anyway, you can cancel it out. So there is no harm. So minus 1, if you multiply, this will become positive. This will be negative. and this is again negative, so it will become positive. This is mathematics. Don't say that you want me to do this also. What? You want me to do this? You are having problem with this? Crackers? No? Okay. Sorry. Atish. That's why. See, in Hindi, Atish means somebody who is very active and. Okay. Atish Baji. That means cracker. Okay. So 90. Okay. LCM we are taking 90. What minus? Fine. So you will see this is 1 by u we are getting. Please don't make mistake. Just don't if you have less time in your exam and you'll just write u is equal to minus 5 by 9. Don't do that. So u will be equal to what? Yes, minus 18. That is minus 90 by 5. So that will be equal to minus 18 what? Centimeter, because all the units are in centimeter. So this is our u. Everyone got this? What you're saying, like you haven't done it. Don't do that. Just copy it. Yeah, we'll see. What's the mistake? Almost you are very close. Your answer is correct. Your answer is correct, but the diagram that is not correct. See, the important thing is to draw. If you know how to draw the diagram, that means you have learned this optics properly. If you are still not able to draw it, that means you have just memorized it. Okay, there is a difference between learning and memorizing. Okay, we'll see that. So you have got minus 18 centimeter. Now let's draw the principal axis. Magnification we'll see. Okay. So this is your principal axis, let's say. And this is what point? Pole. Let's write F here, focus, and this is our C, center of curvature. Any problem? Okay. So F is minus 15. So this in coordinate, if I'm saying this is x-axis and this is y-axis, so this is negative x-axis. Can you write F in terms of a coordinate? Tell me. Tell me. Very good. Is it correct or not? Because in x direction, y direction it is 0. Fine. See how much, Atish. What? Minus 30. Very good. He is correct, right? You're understanding everything, no, Sanjay? Okay. Now, where is the object? Minus 18. So it is in the middle of somewhere here. 80 minus 18, right? Object is somewhere here. Okay, let's draw like this. This is simple, no? So, okay, let's draw the arrow. I gave you something like this, this diagram, something like this. So the object is here. I've already given you, and I wanted you to draw the complete this ray diagram. Now, where is the image forming? Minus 90 is somewhere here. And what is the nature of image? Real and virtual, right? So that's what I was saying, real and virtual. Okay. Real and inverted. So why we are getting negative and inverted? Why it is inverted? It's a real image. Between? No. That's not the reason. Okay. Now, how you will draw the ray diagram for this? So you have, let's say, this point A and this point B. That the tail is A and the head is B. You just need one point or both the points. What do you want? 2 points for both. Okay. First, let's draw for the head. Okay. Now, if we draw a line parallel to this, to the principal axis from here, what it will do? It's a light coming from there, from the head. Atish. Now you come here. Draw angle I and angle R. angle IC. This light ray will come here to the mirror and it will reflect, right? So if it reflects, that means it will follow the this first law of reflection. Sorry, second law of reflection. So how you will draw this I and R, angle I and angle R? Where from that is pass? Where from it will pass? Yesterday you said you know this. When I asked you, did have you learned this? You said yes. Then draw it. You said no. Yesterday I said right this thing. You said you have learned this before. Correct? Yes or no? So can you explain this I and R? Okay. Reflected. Which one is 90 degrees? Okay. Now, go set. You have memorized it. Yeah. Okay. Do that. It's fine. Uh, memorize it. That's what I can say. We have the diagram in the book, right? Or some other classes or something you are taking. See, the thing is, right, okay. Do you remember this thing? If you have a mirror, okay, you have this principal axis. So this is your center of curvature, okay, and this is your principal axis. If the light ray will go on the principal axis, it will come back. It will come back on the principal axis, okay. If a light ray from center of curvature, it go and strike the mirror, where from it will come back? It will come back to the center of curvature. Okay, so this that means what? This is always normal. Any line, any light ray that is coming from center of curvature will form the normal. Okay, so this line is always normal. So light ray falling on normal will return on itself. Okay, so the normal, you first light will go there, it will strike here, then you will draw the normal. How you will draw the normal? From here. So this is your normal. Got it? So this is your angle of incidence. Now angle of reflection is always equal to angle of incidence. And then it will pass from focus. Got it? That's why don't memorize anything. You have understood this? Atish, Sanjay, you got it now? Okay. So light, of course, it is going parallel, so it will come back. Now, suppose if I'm taking, if you can, what you can do, either you can pass the light through this, because you need two rays. Wherever it will intersect, there you will, the image will form. Right? That's what you have learned, no? I haven't covered in class, but you have already, it's been covered by your teacher in school or wherever you are taking class. Fine. So what you can pass the light from the pole. You can. So this is against your any line pass through center of curvature will be normal. Write it down. Write down. Yeah. Any line. Why A? What are you doing? Once you are writing this side, again you are doing it this side. What is this? What? You're advanced, man. I never thought like that. So write any line passing through center of curvature. What? Yeah, I also read that. Fine. Any line passing through center of curvature will be the normal will be the normal. You can just write like, because see right now whenever you are drawing the normal on the mirror, on the surface of mirror, it will always pass through center of curvature. Okay, so if I want, because the light ray is striking at point P and we want to draw the normal, because now this is angle I. For this light ray, this is angle I. So this is the normal and this much will be the angle of reflection. Fine. So it will go meet somewhere. I know it's not a straight line, but it will go and meet somewhere very far. Again, the same, all see, two lines intersect, will get the image. Fine. We are getting it now. But let's say what the third line will be. Now we can pass the line through the focus. Fine. If the line is passing through the focus, now how you will draw the normal at this point? How you will draw normal to this point? Yes, the line should pass through center of curvature. Okay, so this is the normal. So this will be angle I, and again angle R will be this. Now, because it is passing through focus, so it should go parallel to the principal axis. So when it will go parallel, it must intersect the same point. You are understanding or dreaming? Pakka? What is pakka? So you got it? See all the lines coming from this point, all the light ray. This is a light ray, this is also a light ray, this is also a light ray. We need only two light rays just for the sake of understanding. I'm drawing three light rays. Okay. So all the three light rays will strike here. That means this is point B of object. So this is point B of the image. So we'll write B dash. Okay, B hyphen. What do you say in the superscript? We are writing hyphen, not hyphen. What is this? Single quote. Yeah. So we'll write, I'll say dash. It's easier to say. So B dash I'm writing there. Okay. Now B dash is the head. So, and if you pass, because it is at some height above the principal axis, so here also it will have some height above the principal axis. So you can draw something like this. So this will be your A dash. You understood what mistake you did? Yes. That, see, when you are drawing, it should come from here. Okay. Now this is correct. Otherwise, you are correct. Understand? See, this is very important. Once you have understood this, you can solve as many problems as you want. Just one problem is enough to understand. Okay, it's not like if you are trying to solve 100 of problems. Okay, that is just memorizing problems, nothing else. You can obviously you can get some marks from it, but you will not always be right. And you are not just here just to solve some CBSE problems, right? You want to go further. You want to go to JEE, right? You want to give that exam, isn't it? Okay, I'm from there only. You're laughing. I have also written JEE exams, so that's why. What? Yeah, it's fine. That is completely fine. See, it's not like whatever we are studying here is just for. Here you will get an idea how things work in your real life. Okay, physics is all about that. Physics is our surrounding. Okay, physics will relate biology. Physics will relate chemistry. Okay, so basic science when you will study, you will always study physics first. Mechanics. Right now we are studying optics. Okay, you have already studied mechanics in your ninth standard. Okay, so this diagram, you have you drawn this? You sit backside. You go in the back. You keep talking to him. Just go back. Don't do that. Why you are not drawing? When I'm drawing it here, why you are not drawing? Yeah, no, it's fine. Now you will do one more problem. Let's do one more problem. Hey, why you keep talking? What is it? What is asking for? You can leave the class. Your time is over. Now you will say that okay, I have some classes and all. You can leave. Just go. So we'll do another question. Is that fine? Okay. So what you guys are doing, huh? You had class from 4:30, no, or what? So what? So you did it now. It's bad. You should do in your home. I said no yesterday. I said that tomorrow also we'll be having one class. Okay. No. Next time we'll be having that. I have no idea. I suppose maybe chemistry or biology or mathematics. How far should I know? Okay. So everyone understood? We'll do one more problem because I don't think we have enough time. Okay, you can leave. You can leave. It's okay. Ah, Atish? Okay, okay. Let's do one more problem. Let's do it from your book. You all have book? You guys have book? Yes, yes, ma'am. Time is over. Actually, they came very late. They came at 5. Just they came. They were sitting somewhere else. Ma'am, let me just do one more problem because I just started. So one more question I will do and it will be over. Parents are. See those whose parents are here. Confirm. She'll do it. Okay, good. Okay, okay, fine. You also want to go now? You can leave. Okay, we'll just change. This is what mirror is this? Concave mirror. And let's do one. Sorry. Let's not do any problem. Let's discuss some concept. I think this is clear. Now you can do it. I want this to be in your notebook next time when I see it. I don't know when I will see you guys, but whenever I want it in your notebook. And please solve your notebook comments, the problems from your book in your home and ask me doubt. We have very like 1.5 hour class in 3 weeks. So I cannot do it in 3 weeks. I'm not taking a regular class. No? So you have physics, chemistry, biology and all. Yes, sir. No, you won't be. You won't be allowed to take it. Okay, okay. So just tell me, if we have a convex mirror, this is a convex mirror or concave mirror? This is a convex mirror. See here. Which side is the? It doesn't matter that if I'm drawing like this and the shining part is this side, or the polished part is that side. That means it is a concave, right? I knew it. You guys will not see this. Not see coming, huh? Huh? Okay. Now which mirror? Convex. See, for convex mirror, which side is the curvature? Right side? Dude. First see here, you can copy it. Thank you. So which side is the curved side? Again, dude. Which is the curved side? Which side it is curved? This side, no? Right side? So it will, the center will be which side? This side? See? That means the focus is also in this side. F. And where is the axis? Here. So F is positive here. You see? For a convex mirror, it is positive. But you will keep the object where? Here, this side? Because if you keep it this side, you won't be able to see it, right? Image will form definitely, but you won't be able to see it. Please pay attention here because you are about to leave. So that means F is positive, U is negative. Right? Getting the point? Okay. Now it depends where you are keeping your yeah, you will be keeping this. See, always remember, this is your sign convention. Always. No matter what, you are using lens, you are using mirror, it doesn't matter. This is your sign convention. Positive y, positive x, negative x, negative y. Okay. So that's what actually I wanted to tell you. So you can leave. And please do problems from your book so that we can discuss it here. All right. You know this thing also. You learned anything? Did you learn anything? What? What did you learn? One problem we did only. That to your homework. Bhaskar, we can stop it because yeah, they are leaving. And see when whatever is that actually we were